$500 for this set of nails. That's crazy. Hi, my name is Alex. Today we'll talk about VIP, expensive nail designs. My friend Chris, she will help me to show you one of these crazy, expensive nail designs. Let's get started.
This was very long and hard work, but I tried hard to make shorter video to save your time. As you can see, we have applied the primer and the base gel for these nails. Now Chris is placing very long nail form. This is the hardest and longest phase in the world because everything depends on how perfectly you place the form. You should push and stick it as properly as you can and make it very thin tube, so it creates the arch for this nail. All the process of the nail design, the form will be staying on the same place. Firstly, we should apply thin layer of the clear gel. The main thing, gel should be put it very close to the natural nail, especially in the corners and the side walls. We push it again from all sides and place it into the LED lamp. The next thing, we will sculpt the nail bed using the polygel. This is the polygel of the Russian brand shapeofnail.com. It's very easy to sculpt the nail bed using the wood stick. You just wipe it into the rubbing alcohol or liquid solution, and we neatly push it from all sides to the cuticle area, to the side walls, to create the shape of the long nail bed. The longer nail bed looks much better. Don't forget to cure properly this layer into the LED lamp and after remove the thick layer. And the next step, guys, you need to fix the nail form using the stapler. This is the new life hack from us. So when we get it, you should proceed with shaping this nail bed. All corners should be maximum flat. So we need to achieve this perfection. I mean perfection of the flat edge of the nail bed. And of course you should also shape nail from the top. Then we proceed with the gel paint. We have chosen the green tone of the gel paint, and now at first you should create the contour. This way we should cover the edge with this gel paint and draw the line, the first line on the nail form. The line should be about 3 millimeters in the center, and it should be drawn like the smile line. The next step is very important. We use the clear polygel. We take the drop, place it on the center, and move it to the low thickness to the corner of the natural nail. So we have the first arch, which has the background of the dark green color. We also cure this layer into the LED lamp after remove the tacky layer. And after we start again to shape it maximum neatly because we need to create very flat edge. You would achieve maximum good results if you sculpt these lines and shape them maximum properly. So right now Chris is proceeding with shaping this nail again. Count the time how long she works with the same nail. That's why this design is so expensive, because it takes a lot of time. After the shaping is done, we should remove all the dust and apply the next line on the edge, on the corner of the nail bed. Look, we draw the next line. It's the same weight, about 3 millimeters in the center, but the color is much lighter, is the light green color. And now guys, let's take a look on the magic. Now we create the floral gel, which will be mixed with the natural micro flowers. And now Chris is pinching off pieces of the natural flowers and drop them into the container with the clear gel. I have never shown such interesting tutorials, so I'm absolutely sure that it would be very useful for you. So we mix it with the wood stick, but try avoid bubbles because they can ruin your nail design. I think it's easy to order this kind of nail design, but not every nail master can create something beautiful using them. So in most cases that sort of things just staying on the shelf. And now guys, Christine creates the following background. She uses the Baby Boomer Sculpting Mix Gel by Dolce Nude. You can order it on shapeofnail.com. This site will be reopened for the world sales in the summer. Right now, guys, Christine is placing that clear gel which was mixed with the tiny flowers. Here we should apply not only one layer, we place layer by layer and cure it in LED lamp. We need to load all this area until this layer reaches that previous elements. And it's very important to apply thin layers because this gel is not too thick and it's easy to mix with the petals, but from the other side it's not easy to sculpt in one layer. It's better to search the bubbles because that tiny bubbles can spoil your composition, and small bubble turns this nail design from $500 to $5. So this is it. We cured the nail. Now she's removing the tacky layer and shaped nails again. How you counted how many times she shaped this nail? That's crazy. But for sure, guys, this nail design it's a lot of work. So the nail master should spend many hours on this work. And that's why the price is so high. I think not every client, if she has enough money, even too much money, appreciates such nail designs. But I know that people so fanatically spend thousands of dollars for these nail designs. And that's true. Now you see that look of this nail is changing second by second. Already shaped nail is looking so graceful and beautiful. And now, guys, we're gonna show you the most amazing view in your life. Real professionals will really appreciate this moment. Are you ready, guys, for the best moment of this video? And here we go! The drop of the top coat is dropping right now on the beautiful nail. Hey, where are you? We're waiting for so long. Here we go. Oh shit! This is so beautiful! Do you see this amazing look of vetro effect? Look on the details. They're so amazing. If you see that, you are professional. If you feel that, you are a good nail master. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh yes. Do you see that small drop? Oh shit. I think this small drop even doesn't spoil this composition. I think it should be there. Please, guys, tell me your feelings about this nail design, and if it's worthy of your votes and comments. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe to our channel because we need your attention. And we do this expensive nail design just for you because we love you. See you in the next tutorial. We are Alexander and Christine. We wish you good luck. See you very soon. Bye.